Expressing concern, examining the new Jamaican traffic laws.
Introduction.
Recent changes to the Jamaican traffic laws have sparked mixed reactions among citizens, with some expressing concerns and even disgust towards these new regulations. While the intention behind implementing stricter rules is to enhance road safety, it is important to critically assess their impact and potential consequences. In this article, we will explore the reasons behind the discontent surrounding the new Jamaican traffic laws and the potential implications for drivers and the community. Increased penalties and fines. One of the primary reasons for the public's dissatisfaction with the new traffic laws is the significant increase in penalties and fines. While the intention may be to deter reckless driving and improve road safety, the substantial rise in fines has been met with resentment, as many believe the punishments are disproportionate and excessively burdensome, particularly for low-income individuals. The strain on the economic landscape. The stringent traffic laws have also raised concerns about the impact on the economy. Business owners who rely on transportation, such as taxi operators and delivery services, argue that the increased fines and stricter regulations place an additional financial burden on their operations. These costs may ultimately be passed on to consumers, affecting the overall cost of goods and services. Enforcement and resource allocation. Critics of the new traffic laws express doubt about the effectiveness of enforcement and question whether sufficient resources are allocated to ensuring compliance. Concerns have been raised regarding the ability of law enforcement agencies to adequately patrol the roads and enforce the regulations consistently, leading to skepticism about the actual impact of these laws on improving road safety. Lack of focus on infrastructure and education. Opponents of the new traffic laws argue that the emphasis on penalties and fines overlooks other crucial aspects of road safety. The need for comprehensive infrastructure improvements, including well-maintained roads, clear signage, and sufficient lighting, is often cited as a priority. Additionally, advocates believe that increased efforts should be made to educate drivers about safe driving practices, as many accidents result from a lack of knowledge or awareness. Limited public consultation. Another factor contributing to the dissatisfaction is the perception of limited public consultation during the development and implementation of the new traffic laws. Many citizens feel that their voices and concerns were not adequately taken into account, leading to a sense of disconnect between the government and the people affected by these regulations. Conclusion. While the intention of the new Jamaican traffic laws is to enhance road safety, it is essential to address the concerns and discontent expressed by the public. Striking a balance between effective enforcement, reasonable penalties, and adequate infrastructure improvements is crucial to ensure that the laws contribute positively to road safety without placing an undue burden on drivers and businesses. Moreover, engaging in meaningful public consultation and promoting education and awareness are key elements in building a safer road environment. It is through constructive dialogue and collaboration that the best solutions can be found to address the concerns surrounding the new Jamaican traffic laws.